Kherson is a big seaport and takes not the last position in cargo shipping, the biggest part of townspeople link their destiny with the sea. Also, the town is the largest center of high-quality training of seafarers working. Kherson branch of Institute of Postgraduate Education, Odessa Maritime Training Center, founded in order to provide high-quality training, refresh and updating of seafarers working on ships of the Ukrainian and foreign owners. In its work, Kherson branch constantly takes into account the latest national and international requirements as for the training of seafarers in order to ensure safety of sailing and environmental protection.
Institute of Postgraduate Education Odessa Maritime Training Center Kherson branch was founded in 2000. The center provides activity in training of onboard personnel, recruiting of seafarers with their future employment. It's one of the basic questions of the day. We have perfect educational base including navigation training complex, engine room simulator, and modern base for training service personnel. The base is constantly increasing. The center meets and follows all the requirements of the International Convention STCW Code 95, ISM Code, ISPS Code, IMO regulation. The center is certified by the Norsky Veritas, Russian Register of Shipping, and International Naval Survey Bureau. We are fully licensed by Ministry of Education and Ministry of Labor of Ukraine. I close with the word. The center provides best quality service for all seafarers and shipowners. You are welcome.
I'm here to carry out the audit for Odessa Maritime Training Center, Kherson branch. And this is my third year here. I want just to explain a few words about DNV standard for Maritime Training Center. DNV is the organization who is prepared a standard especially for Maritime Training Center. And Kherson Maritime Training Center, which branch of Odessa Maritime Training Center, is audited and certified by this standard. This year they provide me one very important improvement by implementing a new bridge tip management simulator and an engine room simulator that they can cooperate together. Both simulators can cooperate, and this is very important because actually is a real situation.
Having a highly skilled teaching staff, Training Center provides training, refresh and updating courses for the specialists of maritime transport and industry.
The catering department of the Kherson Postgraduate Education Institute. Since 2001, our center trains the shipboard personnel on American ships of American shipowners, Princess Cruise Line, Costa Crozier, Cunard Cruise Line, Royal Caribbean Cruise Line and Carnival Cruise Line. The center trains the ship's cooks, waiters and stewards, so we train unskilled personnel and recruit the skilled ready seafarers with further employment in these companies. The center is involved in crewing and STCV training, so all our applicants are issued the full packet of documents in compliance with requirements of the international conventions such as STCV, ISM Code, ISPS Code. The center realizes training in professional and specialized English for seafarers of all ranks and specialities. Good English for all our candidates is a must. You are welcome on board the cruise ships.
Kherson branch of Institute closely cooperates with the Odessa State Maritime Academy, Kherson Maritime College, Odessa Maritime Training Center, Training and Certifying Center of Seafarers, different crewing companies. The center is in possession of huge database of seafarers of all ranks and specialists, about 5,000 persons. The center has established its representatives in Odessa and Sevastopol in order to expand crewing activities. The center has agreements with some crewing agencies in the south of Ukraine. This database is constantly increasing. On November 22nd, 2002, Kherson branch of Institute of Postgraduate Education Odessa Maritime Training Center introduced navigational training complex. This event is one of the steps in modernization of the educational facilities and also caused by the great demand of qualified and skilled marine specialists in the world market of labor. GMDSS TGS simulator, built on base of soft and hard-soft techniques, has doubtless advantages in comparison with ship's radio communication installation, which was used in training centers before. Soft and hard-soft simulators give possibility to imitate the operation of the ships and shore-based stations without any broadcasting, but with increasing possibilities to create various skins and tasks for the better results of the training. The center provides its activity on educational laboratory base of Kherson Maritime College, the oldest marine educational establishment of the Eastern Europe with strong traditions of training future seafarers. We arrange a special cadets program where the best cadets of the college with fluent English will be searched to have their seagoing practice and further employment on board ships. The center can offer nearly 350 cadets per year, 200 cadets of navigation faculty, 100 cadets of ships engineering faculty, and 50 cadets of electroengineering faculty. Good English for all our candidates is a must. The training complex includes 6 GMDSS TGS simulators, 2 navigation bridges with 3-channel and 1-channel visualization, which provides the greatest reality of the training sailing and also training class ARPAs for 6 working places. The complex is multifunctional and determined to drill ships' handling, operations and maneuvering of the vessels of different types, from tugs to large tankers.
At your ship we have such radar? Yes? And you know is its functioning, yes?
When sailing under conditions of limited visibility, ARPA's radar allows navigator to assess the situation beforehand, to determine and to choose the correct maneuver. As for their functional facilities, the simulators are very similar to the ship's ARPA's radar stations, which makes the educational process closer to the real sailing.
As you can see, we are placed in the training room of the training navigation complex. Such complex we are used for the training of the marine navigators and the cadets of the Marine College at the last year of education. For a training we used 8 bridges which connect between one another, between oneself, and these bridges can be used as individual way and a way in group. Every bridge has some navigation units, such as radar with ARPA and bridge monitor, which consists with the navigation charts and electronic charts, and can be used in this monitor as gyro compass, magnetic compass, direction finder, echo sounder, and so on.
On 22nd of November 2002, Kherson branch of Institute of Postgraduate Education Odessa Maritime Training Center introduced new training course, Bridge Team Management, based upon IMO Model Course 1.22. Simulator Navigational Transys Pro 4000 is used in educational process. The simulator includes 2 navigational bridges with 3-channel and 1-channel visualization system, which provides greater reality of the training sailing. Navigational simulator Navigational Transys Pro 4000 allows to carry out training of navigators and pilots in many directions, including radar watch and plotting, use of ARPAs, electronic chart systems, organization of the underway navigational watch, maneuvering and ship's handling.
Transys Navigator Simulator for training seafarers in vessel maneuvering, vessel control and bridge team works in compliance with the ICTV code 95. The bridge simulator includes many tasks such as route and passage planning, use radar and ARPA, search and rescue operation, safe watchkeeping, and vessel maneuvering and control, not only at open sea and the same in congested water.
Simulator system creates sound environment which corresponds with the areas of sailing. It imitates wind, noise of the engines, cable chains, alarm and other signals.
I am a captain. My name is Kunenko Mikola. Every 5 years I must pass the refreshing and updating course. Just now I passed this course in Kherson, and this course gives me the more knowledge, and I hope for the future is give me more knowledge for safety work on my vessel.
My name is Justin. I'm from Benin. Now I am a B seaman. I am here for graduating and refresh, updating, and if I successfully finish this course, I will take a good job.
On the 14th of October 2006, in Odessa Maritime Training Center, Kherson branch was held an opening of training apparatus engine room simulator 4000 engine deck. Engine deck class A1 includes systems existing on real vessels. Trainer engine room is developed for conducting of teaching and work of skills of execution of watch in the separation and on the central post of management of modern ship, and also for verification of level of knowledges of ship's mechanics, including the second and senior mechanics.
I am taking updating refreshing course in simulator engine room at training center. It will help me for my job on ship in future.
A trainer provides conducting of teaching and training at levels of exploitation management and support. Basic advantages of trainer: provides all levels of teaching, training and verification of jurisdiction, including both individual and group preparation. Training of command under the direction of instructor or without him. Complete set of the modes of operations. The high level of design in the real-time mode provides realism and adequacy of trainer. The interface of trainer corresponds to the best standards of the modern complex control systems. The logically checked interface of trainer provides the quickness of mastering of trainer and comfort in work. Modular construction of trainer provides further development of trainer. Presence of the program of preparation of instructors, all embracing guidance and necessary manuals.
The simulator is designed for training the cargo ship, engine room, watch personnel, prepare operation the ship, main engine and system including, preparing and putting into operation machinery and system, monitoring operation by all parameters with the help the alarm system, troubleshooting. The main engine control during vessel maneuvering.
The center trains seafarers how to help people and what actions to take at emergency. The experienced psychologists look at emergency escape, evacuation and rescue through scenario analysis. Firstly, people must become aware that a danger exists, consider alternative actions, decide a course of action and then carry it through. The behavior responses of people have to be psychologically determined. It scarcely needs to be said that good and appropriate leadership by the ship's personnel will be the vital component. Discussion and analysis of critical situations under the guidance of the center's psychologists is an important part of the process of training.
A special training on crowd management, passenger safety and safety training for the officers' ratings and ship service personnel, nominated to assist passengers in emergency situations in compliance with STCW Code 95. During a real emergency, well-trained personnel provides the effective crowd management activities. It may be the first opportunity for the officers and rating to meet in the emergency role improved by the previous training. Their emotional experience and behaviors will help to stay and survive together.